This is crazy. Winter in September. Two o'clock and counting. It's coming down pretty good now. It's starting to accumulate. Oh boy. Wow. Yeah, we got a good 3-4 inches already. Ooh, doggy. And we gotta fill the generator. Yeah, September 8th. It's our current snowfall situation. Yeah, getting a little snow. Don't really need to worry about the cooler. Been a long time. Generator cranking away good. Yeah, okay. That's enough. Footprints from the last time are already gone. You can get an idea of how many inches we're looking at here already. Got a couple more hours for sure coming tonight, and then there's more coming tomorrow. Colorado in September. Makes perfect sense. Good morning. There's the view from the roof. Get an idea of how deep the snow was. Just had to clear the panels off to see if we can get some power. Yeah, it's snowing more again already. But judging by how thick it was on top here, we got at least a foot. High above beautiful Poncha Springs. Little bit of sun peeking through, and there's supposed to be more this afternoon. I got the panels cleared earlier, but we're getting more snow. Hey, what a shocker. So I'm gonna go up and clean off the panel again. Oh man, look at this. We are snowed in, people. And it is September 9th in Colorado. Look at this, our poor chairs. Let's see how those panels are looking. Oh yeah. Oh, let me grab the broom. A handy dandy little ladder. Look at this. I mean, this is just the snow from when I cleaned it off this morning, a couple hours ago. We're generating about 17 watts right now. One-handed, so I can film this for you. Whee! All right, come on. There we go. All right, I'm putting this down so I can clean it properly. Well, that's better. Look at that, how fast it's building up again already, though. Yeah, crazy early. It was literally 90 degrees here 2 days ago. 105 watts it's generating. These are, again, two 170 watt panels, and the sun is right up there somewhere. could see it a little bit a minute ago, but even just cleaning them off in this, they're still doing over 100, making 100 watts of power. So in the snow, so that's pretty amazing. Not dang, because we need it. Pretty good gauge of how deep it is since we parked here yesterday. Breaking out the winter hat. And actually, it's probably a good thing I left the beard grow a little bit, keeping us warmer. Well, there's those mountains we've been hoping to see. Nicely snow covered. So you can hear by the crunchy snow, it's pretty wet. Should melt by hopefully the day after tomorrow. It's supposed to be snowing again tonight for most of the night, so could get a few more inches. I almost see some sky out there. Got the panels cleared and they're actually working even in this kind of overcast. We're still getting 150, 170 watts of power from our 2 panels, so that's cool. Gina's up there hanging out, doing all right, keeping her taking time on the generator to give it a break and save gas for the day here, and then hopefully have enough to get us through the night without all of us freezing to death. Winter Wonderland in early September. Crazy, but beautiful. Come on, son. No. It's still snowing, but you can do it. Break through. We need you, buddy. Well, we had a lot of melting today, and now it's raining, so it might just be all gone by morning. We'll see. Quite the crazy change within such a short period of time here, huh? Welcome to Colorado. How crazy is that? Look at that. A day in the snow is 99.9% gone. Down here anyway. But it made for gorgeous mountain views up here. Everything's all coated and beautiful. Again, we pulled up here and it was like all hazy from the fires. So we couldn't see the mountains at all. And then it snowed for a couple days and it's like, oh, wow. Okay, yeah, this is a nice spot. Well, good morning. Finally a clear, totally clear. Snow is going away down here, little bits and pieces of it. Gorgeous morning by Poncha Springs. This is the first time in the whole time we've been here we can actually see those top peaks. Absolutely beautiful. And then there's the big ones over this way. Here's us back in the trees. Warming up fast. Yeah, Colorado is pretty hard to beat, guys. Wow. Not a bad spot.